Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at that famous gospel song, Oh When the Saints Go Marching In, on a chromatic harmonica. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Here's what Oh When the Saints Go Marching In looks like in the key of C, and this is how it sounds. C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, E, C, E, D, E, D, C, C, E, G, 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 F, E, F, G, E, C, D, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 5. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 7. Blow into 5. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 5, blow into 6, breathe in through 6, blow into 7, blow into 6, blow into 5, blow into 6, and breathe in through 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 6, breathe in through 5, blow into 5 twice, blow into 6, blow into 7 3 times, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 6, breathe in through 6, blow into 7, blow into 6, blow into 5, breathe in through 5, and blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you're a content creator like me, why not join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers? There's a link in the description below. Also, if you're looking for a new instrument or music equipment, follow the link in the description for my store on Amazon. There's heaps of cool stuff there for you to browse through. And until next time, stay tuned.